Hello learners, welcome back to Jolly John. If you missed our last video on Python variables and data types, check that out first. It's the foundation of what we are doing today. The link is in the description below. Today we are learning very important function, that is input. What is the input function in Python? It's a special function that lets you to take input from the user, like a conversation between your code and the real person. Until now, our programs have just printed messages. But now, your code will listen, process, and respond. Think of it like an ATM machine. When you go to an ATM, it asks you to select the language, right? Then you select whether to check balance or withdraw or deposit, etc. You type in amount, then enter your PIN, and it responds accordingly. That's exactly what we will simulate today using Python and input function. Let's start with something simple example. Open the IDE, then here we'll use name equal to, I'm using the function input. So here I'm printing the message. What is your name? So now press enter, then you can say it is asking what is your name. Then it is waiting for input. I'm providing the name, John. Now we need to check what we entered. Now you can see print function, you know already used it to print the data. So here I'm writing hello. Now you can see hello John. How beautiful it is. Just like that, your code is now interactive. It waits for user's response and uses it. Want to try? Pause the video and write your own variations. But wait, by default, whatever you enter is a string. Remember, very important point, remember, whatever you enter in a prompt, that is treated as a string in input function. Noted? Okay, fine, good. Now, let's take a simple real life example, an ATM machine. Here, how even an ATM asks you questions. So we'll write the code. Now, further purpose, what you need to do. If you need to write the first code, then you can see. Go for the file, select new file. Then here you need to write the script. I'm writing the script, you can see print. Welcome to Jolly ATM. Then name equal to, I'm taking the function input. What message you want to display on the screen, you can write it. Enter your name, enter your name. Then here you can observe, I already said it is going to read the data in which format? String format. Hello. Hello. Now you can observe here, I'm printing hello, then name. Oh. Now if you want to take numbers like age or money or PIN or anything, if you want to enter, you need to convert what the message you are reading. Once again, I'm repeating, input function reads the data in string format. So now I need to change to respective formats. How it is possible? Let's try to check it here. PIN equal to input function. Here I'm going to take one message, enter your 4-digit PIN, ATM PIN. It is reading in string format. If you need in integer format, number format, then you need to write here int of. You need to write int of. So this int is one type of function used for converting the string data to number, integer. Then next you can see print PIN accepted, correct? Then next I need to enter What? Float. That means the balance. For that purpose, I'm going to take amount equal to float. You need to write. Why? Because previously integer we written. Now we are going for float. Input function. Then here I am writing enter amount to Nitita. Enter. This is which format? Float. Now requested to withdraw rupees. How much? Amount. Take. Whether if you need to confirm, then I'm writing confirm equal to, then input function I'm taking. Do you want to continue? Certain. I'm converting to lower function equal to, then I'm checking the condition. Yes. Now we'll print the data. Print. Proceeding. Confirm. You just created a real world ATM simulation and all it was a few lines of code. Now we'll check it. Save the code by using here option will be the save, Control S. Then here you need to take, I'm going to take my first program, saved. That now you need to run the code, run. Then you can see it is asking welcome to Jolly ATM. Enter your name. I'm going to enter the name. That is nothing but John. Hello John. Enter your 4-digit ATM pin 7654. Then accepted. Enter amount to withdraw 2000 rupees. You requested to withdraw 2000. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Proceeding. So here what happened? You are interacting with your code. The Python is listening what you are saying. According to that, it is responding. Understood all of you? Very good. Pause the video and write your own variation. Please solve and give the correct answer in comment section. Let's see how many will get right answer. Friends, some of you are watching these videos and I thank you from my heart. But it hurts a lot when I see 0 likes, no comments and no new subscribers. So if you learned something new today or even just felt inspired, please like the video, comment, I am ready to talk to Python, and subscribe to support this channel. This is not a channel, it's a community. Your voice inspires others. Don't stay silent. In our next video, we are taking this interaction even further. We will learn about conditions in Python, the real decision makers of your code. Now it's your turn. Comment below what's the first thing you want to build using user input in Python. I will be reading every comment and replying to your ideas. Let's grow, learn and code together. Happy coding and keep learning. Keep coding, keep creating. And most importantly, keep believing. Bye bye.